how to spot a liquidity in the market in the best way possible. Let's get into it right now. Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here with the Smart EA Incubator, and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can spot liquidity in the market and prevent yourself from getting stopped out. So if you're new to this channel and still haven't subscribed yet, do it right now and turn on the notification bell, because I upload a new video every single day, and I don't have any course to sell you, so everything on this channel is going to be 100% free of charge, and my purpose is to help you as much as possible. So without any further ado, let's get into it right now. So I'm going to show you an example for GBP USD. I'm in a 5 minutes time frame, because this is my favorite one. I'm a scalper. I wake up in a specific time and trade GU, EU, and NAS 100. If you still haven't watched my first video about smart money concepts, go check it out right now. I highly recommend it to you, and you learn so much just from that specific strategy that I use every day. So the first thing you need to do, I mean, whatever time frame that you're analyzing, it doesn't really matter, whatever period it is, you need to kind of zoom out to see the overall image of the market, to see the highest points and the lowest points. So this is a tricky part. All of us have been taught the same way. Almost 97% of all have been taught the same way, that whenever the price reaches the support, buy; whenever it reaches to the resistance level, sell. And guess what happens? We all have stop losses. So liquidity means stop loss. Liquidity means money. I'm going to give you an example. Right here, we clearly have, let me just use this horizontal ray. We have a support here. We have our resistance level here. Okay, so whenever the price taps into this support line, buyers are going to take a buy position here, and guess what? They put their stop loss exactly below this line. And guess what? Again, that we have so much liquidity below this support line, because big banks and institutions know that buyers, retail traders, are going to take a buy position here and put their stop loss exactly right here. So they always try to come back to your zone and stop you out. So that's why getting a buy position at the support level and getting a sell position at the resistance level is super risky, and they all know that you're going to do that, and they easily stop you out. Like this one right here. See, we have so much liquidity here because buyers are in the game, and right here we have a resistance line, so we have sellers right here, and sellers also have stop losses. So see, there are two scenarios. Now guess what? After the price reached this resistance level, it's trying to come back to stop out all these buyers right here, and this is what it exactly did. Can you see this bearish engulfing candle right here? This big candle, it has stopped out all the buyers exactly at this level, which is their support. So guess what? We still have these guys right here. These guys put their stop loss here. So the market, or the price, has eventually come back to this level to stop out sellers as well. So this is gone, because every buyer has been stopped out, and the price is going to come back, and eventually these people are stopped out too. So they finally get stopped out, no matter how long it takes. The market keeps doing it every single second. So even here it's over, we don't have any liquidity. If I want to scroll, actually, if I want to zoom in and show you this example here, you see that we have resistance level here, we have our support here, we have liquidity here because buyers take a position here, sellers take a position here, so we have liquidity here as well. And as you can see, we have we have a head and shoulder pattern here. The market is trying to go down to kind of reach this level. It gave us a bullish engulfing pattern here. It touched this resistance level one more time, and now guess what? Boom, this candle right here stopped out all the traders that are selling around this price. So because when sellers take their position here, they put their stop loss here, and they take it here, they put their stop loss here, and guess what? Their target, their TP is going to be somewhere around here. So the price is not gonna reach this level until they stop out every single one of them. And big institutions and banks know everything, guys. Trust me, they know everything, and they keep doing it every single time. That's why over 95% of traders get stopped out every single day. So right here, another clear example that the price is kind of fluctuating here. See, it's a double, it's a head and shoulder. So when traders see head and shoulder pattern, they take a position. And again, we have liquidity here. We also have liquidity right here. But before this head and shoulder pattern creates, we have this liquidity right here. So they also target this area as well. I'm gonna actually show it to you. And even this one broke into. See, as soon as they stopped out buyers in this area, boom, the price went up. So what does it tell you exactly? What does it mean? That's exactly what it means. Stopping out all the buyers and sellers, grabbing the money and changing the direction of the market. If banks and institutions don't have enough money to manipulate the price, to change the direction of the market, then there's, I mean, they don't have enough power to do that. They need money in order to manipulate the market. And this is exactly the way they do it. Like taking your money and my money and another retail trader money. So it's very, very important to know this concept right here. The same as here. See, as soon as buyers get stopped out right here, sellers will get stopped out as well. And this is what exactly happened. See, if I draw this resistance line here, they all got stopped out. Sellers got stopped out, buyers got stopped out, and now it keeps creating new higher highs and higher lows, or lower lows, lower highs, or I would say new liquidity. So we have liquidity right here now. We clearly have liquidity here because buyers buy here. So after like buyers get stopped out from here, boom, the market just spiked towards upside. We still have liquidity here, and see the market is fluctuating here. If I draw this line, you'll see how long it takes until sellers get stopped out in this area. They will eventually get stopped out, guys. As I said, there's so much money sitting here. We're not talking about 1,000, 2,000, even $1 million. We're talking about $100 million sitting in one spot. So banks will definitely do that. You gotta, if you want to become a profitable trader, you need to be trading like towards banks' directions. So wherever they are going, you gotta be with them as well. But if you miss out on that opportunity, you gotta wait. And this candle right here broke into our resistance line and grabbed the liquidity. This little shadow here grabbed all the liquidity. See, because we have a resistance line here, and as soon as this candle got closed above the resistance line, all the liquidity is gone. But Irfan, when is market going back towards this level and this level and this level? There's so much liquidity here. We don't know. Maybe 2 months later, maybe 3 months later. But it depends if you're a scalper, if you're a swing trader, which I don't recommend to be a swing trader because you easily get stopped out. Just, you know, I used to be a swing trader for 2 years, and then I changed my strategy to become a scalper, waking up in a specific time and getting out of my trade in a specific time and getting done for the day. I don't keep watching the market 24/7. First of all, I don't have enough time for that, and it gets me exhausted. I don't have to do that. I just take my profit or my loss, and then I'm done for the day, and that's more than enough. Otherwise, you'll become victim of these banks and institutions, and you constantly get stopped out, which you don't want to happen. But still, we have so much liquidity sitting here, so much liquidity sitting here, and so much liquidity exactly sitting here, which actually gives us more momentum. However, it keeps doing it. As I said, there's no doubt. I can show you more examples here. We have a support line here with liquidity, which is already got stopped out. See this shadow here, it got closed below this line. we have liquidity exactly right here. We had liquidity here, the highest points and the lowest points. You gotta zoom out in order to be able to see all the highest points and the lowest points, and you can identify the liquidities around these areas, and all of them got stopped out. See, boom, in this area every single seller got stopped out, or even the buyers. So I don't know what's gonna happen later, but the market is going up and down and is constantly stopping out all the traders, no matter whether you're a buyer or a seller. So that's the concept of a smart money concept trading strategy. But if you want to watch a full tutorial that how order blocks work, how a smart money concepts trading strategy work, I highly recommend you to watch my first video on my channel that can help you like a lot to become a profitable trader using this strategy. And by the way, if you want to trade completely hands-free, you don't want to get involved in anything, you don't have enough time, you don't have enough knowledge in order to put your money in the market, and don't know whether you're going to be consistently profitable or not, we have an EA. It's an expert advisor that trades gold specifically, and it can potentially give you 8 to 20% profit every single month. So for more information, go check out the smarteaincubator.com. I'm gonna leave a link below in the description. If you have any question, please leave your comments below this video. I personally get back to you and answer to all of your questions. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a profitable day.